Hi friends, this video shows how to uninstall update of a system app. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go down, select apps, select see all apps, go down, select show system apps. Here you can see all system apps installed in this device. From this system apps, let me select one app. Let me select this system app ambient mode. Please note the current version of this app 3.1.0. So I am going to uninstall updates. Set uninstall updates. Set OK. See, version changed to 3.0.1. Earlier it was 3.1. Now it is 3.0. This way we can uninstall update of a system app. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.